Tonight is the annual Christmas parade here in Clovis, New Mexico, so let's go down there, downtown, and see it. Next we have a well-lit up fire truck. Next we have what looks like an ambulance. In front or back there's a marching band showing you. That'd be probably high school or junior high marching band. Clovis High School Wildcat Marching Band performing. Probably a cheerleading squad. This will be the first float of the parade. The trailer will all lit up and kids on it. Another interesting, colorful float. The truck's got some interesting looking lights on the door. On the ballroom. Junior varsity cheerleading squad. All these girls dancing in unison. Here's a truck with a large inflatable Grinch riding in the back of it, followed by a group of kids.
Merry Christmas!
No flashing float here, so another fire truck. Another fire truck, looks like a grill. Colorful float.
Merry Christmas!
Oh, look at this float coming here. Got a tree in the back. Got a Snoopy. Peanuts cartoon. Got a Snoopy in the back. A well lit up truck, followed by a group of kids. Christmas. Well lit up truck here. Large snowman, inflatable snowman on that. Here's a limousine. Yeah. Towing and recovery. There's a colorful truck coming along this way with a Grinch and a fadable dog. Real nice float right here. Music playing on it. This is from the Hamilton Auto Group. It's an automobile dealership group here in Clovis. Very interesting float here. It's a truck with reindeer antlers on top. Vendor automobile dealerships. That's right. They're throwing out candy for the kids to come out and pick it up. Here we have another marching band. Got this new flow coming in. Amber Care Christmas. I must have got probably a senior care facility is what that is. Not sure. I guess we're also throwing out candy for the kids to pick up. Alright, another good looking float. Wow, look at this float here. Yeah, church group, you see a cross. A cool float with a lot of Christmas trees on it. Pausing. We'll be along that traffic will stop for a while. This is the McDonald's float. Here we have 3 McDonald's here in Clovis. Look at this, snow coming out. Oh, woo! Let it snow, let it snow. I guess we have a Spanish dancing group, like a high school Spanish club. We're out there dancing and wearing those long, beautiful skirts. Dancing away, having a dance off here. Part of the parade. Oh, with flashing lights on front. An interesting looking well, just car with eyes on the windshield. Looks like they're opening and closing. got Peanuts and the Gang float. Snoopy inflatable. Lucy. They're also throwing out candy for the kids to pick up. Nice little Good Grief Charlie Brown. What very colorful float. Like a tinsel town, all those icicles. Throwing out candy for the kids to pick up. This is a church float from heaven to earth to the cross. Go do the same float every year. The tomb back to heaven. Pretty nice float. Here was a truck on a trailer. Christmas tree in the back of the truck. Very comfortable, colorful, very attractive. Let's keep coming. Very colorful float. Now the people on board are on exercise bikes. You see them pedaling, exercise bikes. Here's a float that resembles a covered wagon.
There's no setbacks. That has an archway right now.
Culvert Express.
Right in front of us.
Waving well to everyone. A colorful float here. This boat just keeps moving along. Looks like a tanker truck. We'll lit up with lights.
I get Hyman one. I get Brenda one.
That's a lot of lights. Very colorful display. Very colorful. Very nice float here with Charlie Brown on it. That's when you got candy for the kids. Another snowy flow with snow coming out. That is snow, it is snow. Look at that snow coming out. Ooh, awesome. Like another church group, West 21st Church of Christ. You have a couple of Jedi Knights from Star Wars having a lightsaber fight. May the Force be with them. Interesting fun. We got a TV in the back of this truck to display, I guess, scenes from the Shrek movie. There's another church group. Clovis New Life Church. Honda radio band, I guess. the radio group. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that must be like a radio station group. Here we have some girls that dress like angels. Yeah, this is the First Lady of Guadalupe Catholic Church here in Clovis. Here's a little loaded float. Kids on it. Maybe a church group. It's also being followed by a group of kids. They're going wearing Spanish skirts and dancing about in them. This looks like a high school group, maybe a cheerleading squad. They're long and waving about. This appears to be another church group. You have a manger setting. Truck with a little float, yeah. A lot of Grinches on it. This is Fox 14, Channel 4, KAMR in Amarillo. The TV station, that's their float. They've entered into this parade. Way to go, KAMR Channel 4. Another nice colorful float. This is Dr. Seuss. Very colorful, well lit up. In fact, Merry Christmas. Here it looks like a large farming tractor. Belt on the wheels. There's a very interesting float. Steam locomotive. Santa up top waiting. See the steam smoke coming out of the smokestack. There's fire on top. And snow from it. Or that snow. Let it snow, let it snow. This is a Southwest cheese. Processing plant out the smoke. Pretty cool. Well, that's it for this year's Christmas parade. So I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.